Hello there. It's Professor Ashan Hampton, your favorite English instructor. Listen, I have a question for you. Are you ready to make some money? Could you use some extra money? Yes, we all could. Well, if you are familiar with my YouTube page or my website, arhampton.com, you see that I have created a lot of eBooks, print books, and online courses. Right now, you can become my affiliate and make money sharing my eBooks. This is a great deal because you cannot get my eBooks anywhere else. You can only get the digital versions of my print books through my shop on Gumroad. Let me show you what you can share, sell, and get money from. Okay, here is my profile on Gumroad. When you become an affiliate, I will sign you up for 8 products. Right now, I am pushing my 8 most popular print books: Proofreading Power, the workbook Proofreading Grammar Drills, also Start Your Proofreading Side Hustle, Grammar Essentials, Adult Learner Grammar Essentials, Student Success Grammar Skills, also Clean Concise Writing, because you need to know how to edit before you take copy editing, which is also very popular. So these are the digital products that I am pushing and that you can become an affiliate for. However, I have 41 products posted to Gumroad. If you find anything else through my shop that you would like to sell as an affiliate, then let me know when you sign up. Okay, here are the steps to take to become my affiliate. It's very easy and it's free to sign up. You need to have a Gumroad account. So go to www.gumroad.com. You're going to click Start Selling. It does not matter that you don't have any products to upload because you are going to sell my products. So you're going to create an account by clicking Start Selling. Once you have a Gumroad account, your dashboard will look like this. You want to go to Payouts. You want to click Payouts and set up your bank account information where you want to get paid. Chime is a great online banking account to have, especially if you're moving money digitally. I have been using Chime for the last 2 to 3 years, and I absolutely love it. There are no fees, and it is a legitimate online banking company. If you do not want to give your physical bank information, like if you have an account at a local bank, then go ahead and create a Chime account. They will not only send you a debit card in the mail, but they also give you a routing number and an account number so that you can use it like a checking account. It is a checking account, but you can give that information to sign up for direct deposit and all kinds of good things. So, yes, I have an affiliate link for Chime. We can both make some money just by you signing up for an account for free with Chime. The link is below. Just use my affiliate link to sign up for Chime. It's very easy, and you come right back to Gumroad and submit your banking account information so that Gumroad can pay you twice a month. Once you have created a Gumroad account, you've opened your Chime account, you want to click the form to become my affiliate, become an affiliate for Ashan Hampton. Applying to be an affiliate is easy. Where it says promotion, all I would like you to do is to, if there are any extra ebooks that you would like to sell, put those here. Where are you going to share the information? Through your social media, through your website? That's all I need to know. And what products you want to sell. And just click submit. You'll get some emails back and forth from me to get your affiliate links for the products that you signed up for. I'm going to sign you up for those 8 products, and you can just tell me the extra ones that you would also like to sign up for. So you will have an email exchange with me and Gumroad. They're going to send you some emails. You will come back to your Gumroad account and click Products. You will click Affiliated. I can't be my own affiliate, but here for you, it will show all of the products that I have assigned you to, and you will have the links that you can click and share with your audience. It will show affiliate products, and it will have the links that you can copy and paste to share with your audience. And that's it. If someone clicks your link and buys a product within 30 days of clicking your link, then you get a 20% commission from that sale. Now, I'm not running the affiliate program, Gumroad is. If you have additional questions about how their affiliate program works, the ins and outs and the terms and conditions of it, then go ahead and click this link. I will have all of the links below that you need in order to become my affiliate. In fact, you can head to my website, www.arhampton.com/ebooks. That's EBOOKS with an S. And I will have all of the information, all of the links here at the bottom of the page. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Thank you so much for supporting my work, which you can make some money from. How about that? You didn't have to put in all of the work. I did all of the hard work, and now you can just make a 20% commission off of my digital downloads through Gumroad. All right, thank you so much. If you have any questions, just email me at admin@arhampton.com. Thanks again, and happy selling.